my name is Vivan Yadav. Then, ta-da! I got some leaves from each of the packet. And I showed a mechanical pencils too with these. First, I will show these leads. See these leads. This is the Camlin exam lead. This is 0.2 mm and did not break easily. So, this one packet goes to this mechanical pencil. So then, in second, I got the 0.7 mm hyper leads. They also can. See these leads, they are very thin. So these leads are come to this pencil. Next, but I got this lead, but there is no lead. But this is 0.7 mm lead. And this is 0.9 mm lead. This is the fine lead. And see the leads. They are very thick leads. But I show that the two ones are very thick. But this is only thick leads. And it is very bold handwritings. And this one goes up to that one. I also saved, so I can put it here. Look at the double, I got doubles. So, this is the Faber-Castell polymer leads. This is 0.7 mm, but this is 2B, and this is 60 mm, but it's already in print. So this thin lead is 7 mm, very rare, but I got that was 5 leads, so I got this first one. So this lead, this mechanical pencil were up to this. So see. These are the 9 mm mechanical pencil. So this packet, so it under the lead, these are like 0.9 mm, like they are saying. But in this packet, it goes up to this pencil. Then after, this is the 5 mm HB lead, but this can increase the light writings. See, they are very, very thin. See it closer and very, very thin. So this lead tube goes up to this Camlin Click Pro. This is 5 mm. These are. So I keep it right here, and also see this the correct one. I put. So next, I got these ones 7 mm, but I don't get any. That's funny. But this lead was going up to this pencil, the Excel. Next, in this one, This is Camlin's no. What? I'm sorry. So this one is the empty leaves. See, they are both empty. So this one was up to this, but this was the free. So then I have the last, but don't have lead, but it has 10 pieces, 0.7 mm, and this is also 0.7. So this one packet is going up to these 2 pencils. And then, so if you want to watch more my videos, all you have to do is subscribe, search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Vivan. Vivan. So I will show you the next video. Bye.